you made quite an impression on me one time when I went to a home show.
Yeah.
And because I stood there and talked to one of you for quite a little bit. And I stood there for a second. I said, I never got a problem that's really a problem.
Right.
I said, I'm gonna call them. And this was a problem. So I called you guys. And my big thing was I wanted it fixed right because I'm gonna live here for the rest of my life and hopefully I'll have another 20 years. All the way through, I felt like I was treated with respect. I felt like that I didn't have to always go back and double check. But I'll tell you, your workers were a very, very respectful, nice bunch of people. And because you can hear things out through here, they did something that I got a lot of work done on things by people throughout the years, and I've done a lot of work too. They laughed. They were down there joking with one another and saying nice things to one another, and it was like, all right, and when you have workers who feel that way, they'll do a better job for you.